Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into an incredible piece of technology you won't want to miss. Imagine being able to produce high-quality, large-format prints with unprecedented speed and accuracy. Sounds like a game-changer, right? Well, that's exactly what the HP 841 PageWide XL Printhead promises to deliver. As a tech reviewer, I'm excited to share my hands-on experience with this innovative product and explore its key features that make it a must-have for any printing enthusiast or professional. First off, let's talk about the print quality. The HP 841 PageWide XL Printhead is designed to work seamlessly with the HP PageWide XL 140 inches multifunction printer, producing stunning prints with vibrant colors and precise details. Whether you're printing technical documents, posters, or banners, this printhead ensures that every output is of the highest quality. I was impressed by the level of detail and color accuracy, making it perfect for applications where visual fidelity is paramount. For instance, architects, engineers, and graphic designers can benefit from the precise line work and color consistency, allowing them to showcase their work in the best possible light. Another key feature that caught my attention is the impressive print speed. The HP 841 PageWide XL Printhead is capable of producing prints at an astonishing rate, making it ideal for high-volume printing environments. This means that you can get your prints faster, without compromising on quality. I was able to print a large batch of documents in record time, which is a huge productivity booster for anyone who needs to print frequently. Whether you're running a busy print shop or working on a deadline-driven project, this printhead is designed to keep up with your demands. For example, in a fast-paced architectural firm, this printhead can help you meet tight deadlines and deliver high-quality prints to clients quickly. Now, let's not forget about the durability and reliability of the HP 841 PageWide XL Printhead. Built with high-quality materials and designed to withstand the rigors of heavy use, this printhead is built to last. I was impressed by its robust construction and the fact that it's designed to minimize maintenance and downtime. This means that you can focus on your work without worrying about the printhead failing or needing frequent replacements. Additionally, the printhead is designed to be easy to install and replace, making it a hassle-free experience for users. For instance, the printhead's modular design allows for quick and easy replacement, reducing downtime and minimizing the impact on your workflow. In conclusion, the HP 841 PageWide XL Printhead is an exceptional product that delivers on its promises. With its stunning print quality, impressive print speed, and durable design, it's a must-have for anyone who needs to produce high-quality, large-format prints. Whether you're a professional or an enthusiast, this printhead is sure to exceed your expectations. If you're interested in learning more about the HP 841 PageWide XL Printhead or want to get your hands on one, find the link in the description below to explore more about this incredible technology. Don't miss out on the opportunity to take your printing to the next level. Check it out today and discover the power of high-quality printing for yourself. With its unparalleled performance and reliability, the HP 841 PageWide XL Printhead is an investment that will pay off in the long run, helping you to achieve your goals and bring your